I recently came across a YouTube channel that earns $9,000 per month. And the most interesting part is that it relies entirely on AI tools to create its videos. What's even more fascinating is how effortlessly they do it. Take a look at the numbers on this channel. 2 million subscribers, and their most viewed video has reached 12 million views. This type of content typically earns between $4 and $8 per 1,000 views. When sorting their videos by popularity, we can see that nearly all of them have amassed millions of views. I spent a full 48 hours analyzing this channel, and what I discovered is absolutely mind-blowing. They use AI tools in a way I've never seen before. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to recreate their top viral videos. While many creators spend weeks researching, filming, and editing, you can now produce the same type of content in just minutes. Let's see how it's done. Alright guys, let's get started. The first step is to sign up for ChatGPT. You can prepare a complete video in a few seconds. For example, I told ChatGPT that I have a MoAAL YouTube channel that focuses on self-improvement in the style of stoicism. I want to make a video about how people can become more resilient to life's challenges. ChatGPT prepared everything for me in a few seconds, from the video text to the visual ideas and even suggestions for video improvements. So let's go through the process step by step and create a viral video. Okay guys, now that you have your video script ready, it's time to add a professional voice to your video. Alright guys, now that your video script is ready, it's time to add a professional voice to your content. One of the best tools I highly recommend is 11 Labs. This platform offers advanced AI-powered voice generation, allowing you to create natural and professional-sounding narration for your videos. Whether you're making faceless content, YouTube shorts, or full-length videos, 11 Labs has got you covered. I've personally tried it, and I'm genuinely impressed by how realistic and diverse the voices are. If you want your videos to stand out with a unique and captivating voiceover, this tool is a game changer. You can start for free, but if you want to unlock premium features and access an even wider selection of voices, I recommend exploring their paid plans. As shown in the image, you can choose from Starter Plan, only $5 per month, offering 30,000 credits, approximately 30 minutes of audio, and 50 minutes of conversational AI with up to 6 simultaneous conversations. Creator Plan, the most popular option at $22 per month, currently discounted to $11 for the first month, providing 100,000 credits, 2 hours of audio, and 250 minutes of conversational AI. Ideal for those looking to create premium content. Pro Plan. For $99 per month, you'll get 500,000 credits, or 10 hours of audio, and 1,100 minutes of conversational AI, along with superior audio quality and advanced features. This is perfect for professional creators who want to take their content to the next level. The link to 11 Labs is in the video description. Make sure to check it out. By signing up through my link, you'll not only get access to this powerful tool, but also support the channel, helping me bring you more valuable content like this. In this step, we're going to take the video script and break it down into smaller sections. We'll then upload each part individually into 11 Labs. This approach ensures that the AI can generate a smooth, natural, and highly professional voiceover for your video. By working in smaller chunks, we can maintain high-quality audio and avoid any potential issues with longer scripts. Once we've completed this process, we'll move on to the next step to bring your video to life. Alright, let's get started. I'll meet you in the next step, where we'll put everything together and create an amazing final product. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, now that we've got both the text and audio ready for our video, it's time to move on to the next exciting step, creating the perfect visuals to complement our content. To do this, head over to Endless Do. You'll find the link to the site in the video description, so make sure to click on it and go straight to the main page. Once you're there, simply take the prompts generated by ChatGPT and enter them one by one into the image generation section of Endless Do. All you need to do is copy the prepared text and paste it into the designated field. The AI will work its magic, producing high-quality images tailored precisely to your needs within seconds. Once your images are ready, download everything you need. You can easily adjust the photos to fit your desired size and style, ensuring they perfectly match the overall theme of your video. If the results aren't quite what you expected, no worries. You can tweak the prompt a bit or hit the regenerate button a few times until you achieve the ideal outcome. With your visuals in hand, all that's left is a quick edit. Arrange the images in your video timeline, sync them with the audio, and make any final adjustments needed to polish the presentation. Up next, we'll dive into editing this video together and get it ready for publication. Sure, here's a longer, yet there's so much more to come. Now that we have all the components of our video ready, it's time to move to the final and crucial step: video editing. The editing process plays a significant role in determining the overall quality and appeal of your content. In this guide, we'll use CapCut, a powerful and user-friendly video editing software that offers extensive features for cutting clips, adjusting audio, applying effects, and adding text. Perfect for creating professional videos without advanced technical skills. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import the professional audio generated using 11 Labs by selecting the Import or Add File option. Drag the audio to the timeline, ensuring it is correctly aligned with your video. Adjust the volume if needed and apply noise reduction for a clean and professional sound. Next, import the AI-generated images from Endless Do. Place each image on the timeline, matching it with the relevant audio section. Arrange the images in a logical order to keep the video engaging and coherent. Adjust the display time of each image to sync with the speech, neither too fast nor too slow. To make the video more dynamic, add smooth motion animations and use CapCut's effects to enhance visual appeal, but avoid overloading the video with too many effects. When editing the audio, remove unnecessary pauses and balance the sound using CapCut's audio settings. You can add background music that complements the video's theme, ensuring it doesn't overpower the speaker's voice. If your video is educational or motivational, choose calm and inspiring music. If it's entertaining, opt for more energetic tracks. Including text or subtitles can enhance viewer experience, especially for audiences who might watch without sound. Use CapCut's auto caption feature or manually add important text, ensuring the font is clear and visually appealing. After completing these steps, export the video in high quality, 1080p or 4K. Before publishing, watch the final version to spot any issues and fix them if needed. Now your video is ready for YouTube. Craft a catchy title, add a detailed description with relevant hashtags, and design an eye-catching thumbnail to maximize your video's reach. Encourage viewers to like, share, and subscribe, and keep them engaged for future content. Stay tuned for more professional content creation tips in our upcoming videos. Ciao sir.